3, 2, 1. Hey, welcome back, guys. We're live with 3D print of the week. This is great by request. You guys have been asking for it, especially Market Bay. We had got you covered. We were going to do this tomorrow, but we've got you covered today. Live stream, and if you want, we could probably do another one tomorrow too. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. I want to make sure that we are live before we go live, but we're going to be printing this amazing 5-in-1 stress fidget. Works really well, and as you can see, this is it printed here. Check that out. Kind of neat, huh? Anyways, you know, it has these little features, little buttons you can press, and it'll, you know, relieve some stress for you. But let me just have a look over there. We're going to lose the audio for a bit because I need to walk over there, and I do not have a mic over there. All right. Kind of neat, huh? Couldn't test the audio there, but I'm going to test it over here. As long as I hear it coming out, we're good. We're golden. It's a 5-in-1 fidget. Amazing. Oh, nice. I could still hear something. I'll just scrub back a little bit. Without any further ado, let's get started. Great. Oh, Midnight. Oh my God. Midnight Off-Road Runner, welcome back. We missed you earlier today. I was talking about you, but nice to see that you were back, and I hope everything is well. We're doing the 3D print of the week. Normally we do it during the day. We might do one during the day for Market Bay. Market Bay likes it during the day too. But let's check this out. You press that. It's a little stress reliever, and then it has here. Maybe you need one of these. Click it, and this one too. Look at the black dot. See. And look at this, a little gyroscope fidget that spins too, and it printed like this. Well, I did have to unlock it with the screwdriver, but look at that, each and every part moves. And most of all, this was done on the bamboo slicer. I have to say that I like the bamboo slicer. You know, it just works well, and the reason why is because, check this out. This was done on the Ultimaker Cura. Doesn't move. This is a 3D print of the week though. Next week maybe. And look, check it out. On the bamboo slicer, it works. So we're gonna do it again. Let's see. Oh, hello Moto. Hello Moto. Isn't that the Nokia or something like that? I forget, one of the commercials. Sorry, I was sleeping earlier in the night. It's been going through done stuff lately. Hello, that's cool. Yeah, isn't that cool? Isn't it cool fidget? All right, so let's get started. There'll be a link to this in the description down below. I'm going to use the bamboo slicer. Again, we're going to have a couple more videos with the bamboo slicer coming up, which is really cool. Some cool features. Here it is. It's sliced already for us, and as we can see, want to make sure, well, you can't see, but I will take you there. See, this is the file here. Now I need to make sure that I have my printer selected. Okay, so I'm just gonna go here to activate the cursor so that you guys can see, and right here. Oh, Midnight Off-Road Runner, do you use the bamboo slicer? Because I have a question about the bamboo slicer. One thing that's driving me crazy, sort of. And then I'm going to select my printer, Ender 3 S1 Pro. And as you can see, I'm using PETG. Make sure you have PETG selected if it's PETG. This particular project asks for PETG. You could use other filaments if you know how to tweak your printer. And then that's it. Look, and then I'm just going to slice the plate, right? And it'll take us at 15%. And then, you know, voila. I'm not sure what all that metrics color stuff is, but we just close it like that. And instead of pressing print, you could press print if your printer was selected. We can go to export G-code file, export, and we're going to call this print of the week, right? 5-in-1. Kind of neat, huh? and then we'll just save it, make sure everything is correct. And the best thing about the bamboo slicer is that it does everything for you. See? And I just saved it into this fidget folder. One other cool thing, I'm not sure if it saved it or not. Oh, it did. Look at that. I can access my printer from the bamboo slicer. There it is. And I saved it. I can't print from it because I don't have, you know, the full access thingy, but check it out. I could print from it because I'm accessing the Beagle print camera. And if we were like, what's his name? Brian. Brian has that printer which allows him to do everything. So if you have a Brian setup, you can definitely do that. So here I am. I'm going to go here. And then I'm just going to go to my fidgets folder. See, fidget. Now I have to find the one that I just saved. It's the one that says 5-in-1. 50 airless fidget personal. Oh, print of the week, 5-in-1. And then we're just going to open it. And there it is. It's uploading. This is great. This is really nice that this slicer lets you do that. And then we'll just bring that out a little bit. And then what I'll do is I'm just going to most likely, you know, we know it's PLA, which is fine. And press print. Check printer status. Oh, I need to connect. And then now I can get rid of that error. And voila. 2 hours and 25 minutes. This must be from a previous print. Oh, the one that we just printed. And now I can press print. There. And it's going. Please wait. The G code is still loading. Okay. You can wait. We're not going to rush it. It says one says success and the other one says still loading. Now it's just working its magic. And then we can go back to our slicer. I've never seen a slicer like this before, where it just lets you work its magic. And then we go back, and this is it right here. And look at that. So the one question I have about Cura is that when my print is done, let's say I print a little thing like this. Not Cura, this slicer, the bamboo slicer. Let's say I'm going to slice something thin, like this. As soon as it's done, the freaking extruder, oh yeah, it's coming down now. It's like all the way at the top, and this only happens with this slicer. Now the only problem is that if I slice it with Cura, it's not going to have any moving parts. If I slice it with the bamboo slicer, it has moving parts, but as soon as the print is done, the extruder is like all the way up. It goes all the way up there. I'm curious, how do you shut that off? Like how do we disable that so that I don't need for it to make a trip all the way down there? And like even right now, it's like, you know, and my printer never does that. Hold on, I want to have a look at something I've never seen under there before. I can show you guys. Hopefully it's not too late. Let's go to the desktop, and then we'll go here. It has to heat up anyway, so to its right temperature. Go to camera and video. Oh, except this is in this window. We'll bring this over here and we'll shrink this. There we are. I guess it's heating up, and see, it's bringing it up, but I don't recall this. I'm not really worried about that, but I guess that's just basic. You know, that's where it always was. And I have some. I guess I should just clean that. I don't grease them though. Oh, hold on. Do that. Some stuff there. Let's take that off. The little stragglers. Oh, and actually, you know what? Let's put some 3D lac on here. Put that there. And we'll just do that. So yeah, so that's that. I don't know why it's raised up there though, but hold on a second. Let's stop mirroring. and then go back here and check out where the printer is. What the printer is doing. Temperature. Alright, what's that? Temperature is going to 254. There we go. Huh, interesting. I wonder what my temperature for what Cura sets PLA to. It is PLA, right? Hold on one second. Now we just gotta go back to the repair. Oh, it's in Pet G. Fuck. I was like, why is it 250? Okay, so we're gonna have to stop the print. Okay, so make sure you got your shit together. It's been a long day, so I'm gonna stop this print. Cancel it. Yes. So I was like, wait, why is it at 250? I thought it was supposed to be at like 205. It's okay, we can reset it and forget it. Alright, so knowing that and moving forward, we're gonna go to prepare. So I'm gonna, instead of PETG, I'm going to select generic PLA and then slice it again. And then wait, let it work its magic. We'll bring this out so it's bigger. And then we'll just go here. It's like, I was like, it was taking too long to heat up. And then we're just gonna go here, not print. You could press print if you have that capability. Export G-code, export G-code file. We're gonna call this PLA, so we know print of the week 5-in-1. All right, and there we go. Now I can go to my, this is really cool, I can go to my printer. I'm just gonna go to dashboard and then printable files. And we're definitely going to get rid of that one, but it doesn't let you get rid of it until you upload a new one. Then we're just going to go to PLA, print of the week, see, 5-in-1, open. And we're just going to wait for it to upload. It's still uploading. And then once it uploads, see, now I can get rid of this one. I'm not feeling, definitely not going to print it in PETG. PETG is expensive. Print of the week 5-in-1. So now if I click refresh, I hit refresh, and if I press print, it lets me. See now, print of the week 5-in-1. We want to cancel this one, the previous one, yes, because remember we just stopped it. And then now, what we're going to do is, see now the option to print is available because it's highlighted. PLA, press, oh, can't press print just yet. I gotta clean off that remnants. It's like cooking spray. All right, now I'm still in my slicer. I love this new feature. Now I can just press print and it'll work its magic. I'm just gonna check underneath the nozzle and make sure there's nothing there. Oh, too late now, but there we go. That's the normal speed. Yeah, you want to make sure there's nothing there, otherwise it can turn your print into spaghetti. And you might think like, oh no, my nozzle needs to be, what do they call it? Leveled, or whatever. My bed needs to be leveled. This is really cool. It prints with all the moving parts. Love it. You know, I just don't understand why when you slice it with Cura, and that one turns to, everything just jams and gets stuck, and it wasn't a filament thing. But yeah, let's check out what Cura does, right? With their slicer. We'll go here, and I guess we'll quit this one. We can leave it like that, and then we'll see what cure. You can just check the filament temperatures of the different filament. But I just want to see what. See PET G, we did that recently, but if we go here into, I believe it is configuration right here, and then you go to materials. See, I'll move this over a little bit so you guys can see, and then you choose like C for PET G, and then you go to print settings, 230. I think it was TPU. Hold on, I think I was doing TPU. No, this TPU is different. Let's see if we got. But that's on the generic. Let's try this TPU. Yeah, so 235 is this particular TPU. But I guess Cura, not Cura, Bamboo wants it to go higher because it set it at 250, which is a little interesting. So if I go here, you know, you can always choose your material from there too, PET G, and then etc. But in this one, I'm probably going to leave it on where's Creality, PLA. OT Maker makes their own poly maker, and then we have extruder Aeron. I'll just do generic PLA then. Well, I'm surprised Creality is not on here. Let's see, maybe I missed it. Fuel basics. It's too bad it's not in alphabetical order. I wish I could just go deep into the code and fix that. No reality. It's fine. Anyway, let's check on the print, see how it's doing, because that's why we're here. And it's begun. Nice. I got one little straggler on the other side, though, I can see from here. Oh, no, it's not. My glasses was playing tricks on me. All right.